All right. Hey everybody, happy Saturday. David here again for another round of AI and automation. So today I have this incredible and exciting topic to talk about, right? So we are going to discuss this mind-blowing platform. I'm talking about the Azure AI Foundry. If you haven't heard of it, I think this is the perfect time to deep dive into this and get your hands on this. Trust me, this is a big deal. First time I came across this platform, I felt like a kid inside of a toy store, to be honest. Just take a look at all these models, man. Take a look at all these models. You can do a lot of things with this. Let me give you an example. Let's go to our workflow today. So take a look at this. So we are going to log into Azure, navigate to AI Foundry. Then, I just select two models. One of them will detect PII information, sensitive information. Then it's up to you. Maybe you want to redact information. Maybe you want to extract information. This is just an example, right? And then we're going to create a Python app. Myself, I like using Anaconda to do this, and, VS Code for coding. And then run the app. I just use a simple library. I'm using here Streamlab, and then insert data to test actually how the application is going to perform. If I go to here to my code, you will see I have two applications here. So this one is detecting PII information. Another Python code. This one is taking unstructured medical, report or record, put it on a model, and then it will extract. It will create some labels. It will structure the data. This is actually the future of medical health, guys. Imagine now with AI, all the good things you can do in this field. Myself, I believe in AI for good, and I love doing research and seeing how we can improve the medical field as well. So I will show you an example. Let's go to my Anaconda environment here. So what I've done here is just created an environment. Then we're gonna run this app. So you're gonna see example. I have this Streamlit app. Okay. The first one was PII.py. Let's run this one. Okay. And then I will show you what it can do. So there you go. The first app is loading in my browser. Okay, a very simple app, right? Just detect PII information. I have here some information I wanted to copy and paste. I didn't want to use a sample of Microsoft. I wanted to test myself using my own data. So if I do this, it will analyze the data, and then it will highlight all the PII information, as you can see. And here is the entities, right? Example, John, a person, confidence level 100%. We have a date here, all right? Email address, 80%, but still is accurate. Phone number, credit card numbers. This is, I know some people will tell me, yeah, we've seen actually AI detecting PII before, but trust me, this one is very powerful. This one is very strong. So try to test it, and you can see all the good things you can do with these models. It's up to you. Maybe you want to redact information while you're processing data, because yes, technology is here, but privacy is important. Or maybe you just want to extract the data and keep it in a safe space. It's up to you. Okay. So the second one is more related to the health environment. So let me stop this application right here. All right. So we're gonna run this one as well. I think I call it health. I think that PY. We run that one, it will load. Just give it a second. There you go. So it will load the health application. So here what I want to do is to help the medical field, right? Maybe they have some patients record, they want to extract labels and data. So what I will do is just come here. I will copy this medical report. I will paste it here. Okay, information about a patient. Then it will analyze, right? Just like the other application, to structure this data. Okay, look at this, guys. Amazing. It will label this data. It will extract like valuable information, right? And then just imagine now what types of application we can build and the integration with these medical systems, to have each patient having its own database. Then we can follow up with this patient effectively and efficiently. We can save tons and tons of lives, right? So I think this actually is amazing. Why? Because not only you can build smart application with this, but at the same time you could even use it within your automation. Next time I'm going to show you how you can basically integrate these models within automation and create smart robots. Okay, this is what you call agentic automation. In the previous videos, yes, we did talk about how to train your own model using UiPath AI Center. It's amazing, but as well you can benefit from this platform to create robust robots, and even use Azure machine learning or any other platform. Myself, I like to be versatile. I don't want to touch only one solution. Everything will depend on what type of solution you are trying to solve, right? So happy Saturday again, guys. Take good care of yourself, and happy New Year in advance. All right, take care.